This is Paul. Yeah. I'm just sitting here. It's 8 a.m. I didn't get any phone calls. And I woke up in the hardwood floor. Yes. And my legs are not feeling very good today. My knees are kind of hurting. And I have 76 cents to my name. I'm out of coffee cards. I'm out of coffee. I'm having to sell cigarettes this morning to just get a cup of coffee. And I'm a little upset, I'll tell you that. Ouch. I had emailed those in law enforcement about violating certain RCWs. And it's one of these situations where I had planned on going to work today, but I'm going to have to call the lady that I work for. I'm going to tell her my legs are hurting. Ow. I had a lot of pain last night. And it's just not very good today. I really am feeling some, well, not really anxiety, stress, emotional. Let's just say I'm a little upset at the thought of not having $1.40. Yes. I had called her, and she herself doesn't have any money. And the thought was, well, if I walk all the way over there, do all the work I've got to do for her, and then I'm going to run out of tobacco. I have no money for coffee. I can't take a shower. I really have a lot of problems today. It's one of those days where I'm really thinking I'm going to have to drink instant coffee if I can't get 65 cents. But the senior center computer lab is closed from 10 to 11, so I'll be here for 3 hours sitting here making videos about how the laws are being violated and these rules of the court that I was telling you about. There was that one rule that I had put on my Facebook. This concept of having court hearings where neither the petitioner nor the respondent is there. You can't do that. Oh. Now, I did spend some time thinking last night about the issuing of court orders where I wasn't a resident of the state of Washington, 2011. And then every time that you said, well, we can make up some bullshit excuse about a person being crazy so that we don't have to enforce their rights. In fact, just a few days ago, it was 2 days ago? Yes. Today is Wednesday, isn't it? Yeah. It was on Monday night, and there was some sort of docketed court hearing for yesterday, but my public defender called me 20 minutes before 5 o'clock the day before, thinking, well, I better let him know he doesn't have to go to court. It's really kind of him to give me 20 minutes before 5. Pooch. Just wouldn't I have been surprised if you hadn't called and you had a court hearing yesterday and I didn't appear? I probably would have been getting arrested tonight. Yep, probably would have been going to jail today. Yesterday, the court hearing was docketed for 3 p.m. Yes. Probably would have issued a failure to appear, but it's a good thing that I documented that I did get an actual phone call at 4:40 p.m., 20 minutes before the close of business at the public defender's office. You thought he would have called me before that. It seems that a lot of attorneys don't know when they have to appear in court. This whole thing about the docket and the calendars. Yes. When I was there the last time. Yes, yes, yes. The next appearance date, according to my personal recognizance. Yes. I told them, I said, well, I never planned to go because I had the 28th at 2 p.m., but now that it was wrong, that they put it on the wrong day and time, yes, I'm thinking he'll call me and tell me when I have to go to court the next time. Did you give him notice of the next appearance? Now I'm sitting here on the side of the street, sleeping in a house where there's no bed, and wanting to do some work. See, I had my good friend, the renter. Yes. He had a blood ulcer, and I hope he's doing good. He did call me, and I called him, and nothing's happened to the house. I've been protecting everything, just waiting for a phone call to find out when he gets done with his rehabilitation for the blood ulcer that he had. And I'm a little concerned that somebody's thinking about kicking me out. I've been having to go through a lot of pain and suffering. I had put in the email that I wanted to sleep in a bed. These victims' rights that no one thinks that I have any right to, and the victims' resources. Getting that bill from a county attorney, yes, that I couldn't open. I don't know why I couldn't open it. Yes. I emailed him. I said, could you send it in PDF format so I can read exactly how much I owe you right now?